Good afternoon. Saturday. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Niagara, and this is probably third time we're here, and nandito si Chris. Paid us a visit again this year. So gusto niya ma-experience yung ano daw. Actually nakapunta na siya ng Niagara pero hindi niya pa nag-experience yung boat.
Yeah.
Okay, labas na tayo. Ang lamig. Medyo malamig po siya. Atong gitrita nila. I'm not sure. Pwede, we can actually. Okay, let's go, Kelsey. Table for 3.
Is the food okay?
I'm sorry?
Is the food okay?
Yeah. That's okay. Ang ganda dito.
You guys just follow me.
Let's go. Thank you. Okay.
Love it.
Ano nang smile mo ah? Gutom na ba? Yeah. So, we're done with lunch. Busog na. So ngayon, we're going to get a ticket para po sa ferry natin or boat to get us as close as to the Niagara Falls. So ito po yung ano nila, dito po kasi sa Niagara, they also have amusement parks all around. So here, so may mga rides sila. And you have here yung Ferris wheel. Yeah, the inverted building. If you see that.
Oh, we all had breakfast. So, yung anong dito sa Canada, yung famous coffee nila, that's Tim Hortons. Yung pambansang kape. So they call that the sky wheel. Hindi pa kami nakasakay dyan kasi I'm afraid of heights. So yun. Lakat lang. Gumagana.
Your favorite popcorn.
Yeah.
They have horror house there, and here by mga rides, only arcade. So a lot of arcade. So ito may mga ano sila dito, yung wax museum.
Forest Cafe.
So brewing, Niagara Brewing.
Oh, that's where they.
And here, so pababa na po tayo, and you see we're like at the
height of the fall season. So kita nyo naman yung mga dahon unti-unti nang nawawala, and the good thing is maganda yung kulay nila, so maganda po tingnan.
Train crew members will assist you with your life-saving equipment.
So nandito
For
na
your safety,
tayo.
life jackets are stored in labeled
Nakasuot
storage
na tayo
containers
ng
loaded with
poncho.
water. Instructions on how to wear the life jackets.
Ngayon
are
naman,
also
buti naman
provided
today,
on the storage
medyo
containers. Life rafts are
hindi
located on the benches. Do not climb, sit. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock of the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Ocean Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 108 feet, or 56 meters high. Its crest level, 1,075 feet, or 128 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons, or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rock fall. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridal Veil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridal Veil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridal Veil Falls is 181 feet, or 55 meters, and
Ganun po sa kalakas na hindi ko na makikita yun. So ganito talaga dito. Kaya may poncho tayo, no? Dito sa Niagara. You need to be ready to get wet. You know. Connecting Lawan, Canada